What's the meaning of clematis? Clematis. Clematis.
Clematis. Clematis. Clematis is a genus of flowering plants native to Asia, Europe, and North America. The name clematis comes from the Greek word klema, which means vine branch. Clematis are known for their showy and colorful flowers, which come in a wide range of shapes and sizes. They are often grown as ornamental plants in gardens and landscapes, and some species are also used in traditional medicine. With over 300 different species and many cultivated varieties, clematis offer a diverse array of possibilities for gardeners and flower enthusiasts alike.